Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting program. In this tutorial, we will be talking about what are Google Docs and what is GHDB. So first, let's talk about docs. Docs are basically the special keywords that you can use to do a more accurate search on Google. If you type something on Google, lakhs and lakhs of searches appear within a spree. So, if you'll make use of these Google Docs, your search will become more accurate and precise. There are many Google Docs available to us, and you can type these words in the Google search bar to get more accurate results. We have all in text, all in URL, in text, file type, in title, and many more. So now, let's look at an example. Open Google Chrome. Now, if I'll just search for bug bounty PDFs, I can write. Now the number of results were nearly 10 lakh. But if I'll add a Google Doc, it will make my search more specific and precise. Let's use file type. Now if you look at the results, it has reduced to only 1 lakh and earlier it was 10 lakh. Let's see again. See 10 lakh and 1 lakh. So there was a drastic change in the number of results. And all the links are direct download for your PDF file. So this is how we do an accurate search on Google Chrome by using Google Docs. So what does a file type do? File type is used to search for any kind of file extension. For example, if you want to search for JPEG file, you can use file type JPEG, and before that you can type the name of what JPEG file you want to search or download. Now we will talk about what is GHDB, that is Google Hacking Database. It is a doc mine which contains thousands and thousands of docs in it. The link has been given below. GHDB will show you uniqueness and the power behind Google's search engine. This provides us advanced searches and information like server detection file, footholds. Footholds are queries that helps an attacker to gain access into a web server. It also helps us in finding files containing usernames, containing passwords, having login pages, having sensitive directories, vulnerable files, error messages, and many more things. All these things will provide you an upper edge in bug bounty program and in VAPT. Now let's look at an example. For that, open Google Chrome and type GHDB, that is Google Hacking Database. Now over here, open the first link that says exploit-db.com. Now over here you can see that this is the list of docs and this is the category. For example, the first doc has a login portal, second has advisories and vulnerabilities, third has sensitive directories, foothold, file containing juicy information. So you will get to know about all those docs and what they do. So over here is the list of docs. So if you want to search a particular doc, for example, if you want to search an admin page, you can type in the quick search admin and hit enter. Over here you will see a list of all the docs that include the word admin in it. Now let's check this doc which says that it has page containing login portals. If I'll open this link, it will show me the login page. If I'll open the third page, that's also a login page. So the list over here contains all the login pages. That's what a Google Doc does. If I want to be more specific, for example, among these login pages, I want to focus on some countries' websites. So I can use one more doc over here, site:pk, and I'll hit enter. So if you look over here, it will show the list of all those links, all those websites which has .pk as their top level domain. Let's open this. That's a login page and that's an admin panel login page. Let's open this one as well. Voila, that's also a admin login page. So basically this is the potential of Google Docs. If you are using it correctly, then you will definitely be able to extract some juicy data out of it. Thanks for watching this video.